To automate the WorldPay hosted payment page, start by understanding the WorldPay payment gateway and its hosted payment page. The hosted payment page is a secure web page provided by WorldPay where customers can enter their payment details. Automating this process involves integrating your website or application with WorldPay's payment gateway using their APIs. First, you need to create a WorldPay account and obtain your merchant ID and installation ID. These IDs are used to authenticate your API requests and identify your account. Next, choose the type of integration you want to implement, such as a server-to-server integration or a client-side integration using JavaScript. For a server-to-server integration, you will need to send a request to WorldPay's API to redirect the customer to the hosted payment page. You will need to include parameters such as the amount, currency, and a callback URL where the customer will be redirected after completing the payment. To automate the payment process, you can use WorldPay's XML API or their REST API. The XML API uses XML requests and responses, while the REST API uses JSON requests and responses. Both APIs provide a range of methods for creating and managing payments, including creating a payment request, retrieving payment status, and canceling payments. When creating a payment request, you will need to include the customer's payment details, such as their name, address, and payment method. You can also include additional parameters, such as a payment description and a callback URL. After creating the payment request, WorldPay will redirect the customer to the hosted payment page where they can enter their payment details. Once the customer has completed the payment, WorldPay will send a notification to your callback URL with the payment status. To handle the payment status notification, you will need to create a callback script that can process the notification and update your database with the payment status. The callback script should be able to handle different payment statuses, such as successful, failed, or pending. Best practices for automating the WorldPay hosted payment page include using secure protocols, such as HTTPS. To encrypt sensitive data, you should also validate user input and handle errors and exceptions to ensure a smooth payment experience. In summary, automating the WorldPay hosted payment page involves integrating your website or application with WorldPay's payment gateway using their APIs, creating a payment request, and handling the payment status notification. By following these steps and best practices, you can provide a secure and seamless payment experience for your customers.